Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace your refrigerator's power cord, make sure the old power cord is unplugged and the water supply is turned off. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws securing the water supply line retainer to the rear panel. Detach the water supply line from the inlet valve. Next, unthread the remaining screws securing the rear access panel. Set the panel aside. To make it easier to access the power cord grounding wire mounting screw, you can move the compressor and inverter board out of the way. Pull off the 3 retaining pins and remove the washers. Now carefully lift up the compressor and inverter board and move them to the right. Unthread the screws securing the power cord retaining clip, as well as the screw securing the grounding wire. You can now disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the old power cord. Prepare the new power cord for installation by transferring the retaining clip from the old cord to the new one. Now connect the wire connector and secure the grounding wire to the refrigerator base with the screw. Thread and tighten the screw to secure the power cord retaining clip. Now reposition the compressor and inverter board. With the washers in place, secure the compressor with the 3 retaining pins. Reposition the rear access panel and secure it with the screws. Reattach the water supply line to the inlet valve. Secure the line to the rear panel with the retainer. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on, plug the new power cord in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.